I guess I'm gonna turn the light. If I can reach the light. So, Cornelio. So I'm laying in bed here, and it's I don't know. It's past 8 o'clock anyway. That's why I'm in bed. And they said this wind was gonna stop at like 7, right? Yeah, right. They don't know what they're talking about. Man, this wind starts howling. Holy crap, man. I probably won't do it now because I'm recording. Yeah. No. I don't know if you can hear it or not. But when it's howling, holy Toledo. Smoking Toledos. Yeah, it figures. It's not doing anything now. Goddamn wind. 60 to 70 miles an hour. That's a lot of. That's a big huffing and puffing. That's like the big bad wolf trying to blow my house down. And it's rocking the house. Can you hear the crash banging outside? I know I can hear it. If I can hear it, you should be able to hear it. Holy crapola. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Well, why is it when you try to record it, it just goes away? I mean, it's still blowing, but it's not flowing like it was when I decided to pick up this phone and say, I gotta record some of this because this is just crazy. You could hear it. Oh my God. It's just blowing everything. It's like rocks and sand kicking up everywhere. I'm like, oh my God. My poor truck. Poor me. A moment of calmness. It's calmness out there. What was that? Like 3 seconds and it started clicking. And the wind goes again. Oh my Lord. And the eyes are closed, but I ain't asleep yet. Yeah. There they are. Mm-hmm. Yep, see, the second I hit stop, it's already toying with me. The second I hit stop, the van's gonna start shaking like crazy. It'll be. But right now, because I'm recording this, nah. It's chilling. It's be chilling. I always sleep with this thing on my head. Unless it's like above 40. And if it gets too cold, I'll bring it up. That's my night sleeping. That's how I keep warm. This keeps me warm. My 15-degree marmot bag. 15-degree marmot bag. 800 filled down. That keeps me warm. I haven't had my heater on in like a week. Back when it's like minus. Here it goes. It's shaking the whole thing again. This is nothing though, because I swear to God, I think it was lifting my tires off the ground earlier. I had to move and put myself in a position so I was next to a trailer to try to block some of the wind, because it was coming up under the back doors. It's coming through the back doors, but it was coming up under the van, and it felt like it was picking it up. And the front, I could feel it pushing on the curb and bouncing back. And I'm like, holy moly. I said, I gotta move. So I moved myself so I was in a different direction from the wind. And the wind that is blowing is coming on the solid side of the van, so it's not like blowing in. So it's a little bit better. And I got a trailer on this side of me over here on the passenger side to block the wind. It still comes up under it though. It's a crazy night. But see, y'all can see, I am sleeping in my sleeping bag. That's my sleep setup. I'm hanging. I don't have any pressure points touching me. Happy as can be right here. I'm just hoping this wind dies down and doesn't stay going all night. Because I heard on the radio they said it was going to stop about 7. It's after 8 now, so I don't know what's going on with that. If I get too cold, if I wake up cold, I'll just turn on the heater. Had the van running for a while because it was really cold, but I'm in bed now. I'm covered up. I should be all right. I'm not gonna die, so don't worry. No worries about that. I may get cold, but like I said, if I wake up and I'm too cold, I'll turn the heat on. I just don't want to turn it on. But right now I'm comfortable. Hopefully. It has warmed up, because the temperature dropped down, but then it warmed back up. So I don't know what's going on with this weather. It's crazy. I just thought I'd make another little video. And you guys can see me, see how relaxed. Don't I look chill as hell? I feel so chill in this setup. And when you turn yourself a little bit, about, I don't know, about 15 degrees, turn sideways, and you just flatten out like a board, and it's so comfortable. And you don't even need a pillow, because the side of the hammock comes up just a little bit, just enough to prop your head up. Just enough. Absolutely perfect. And you don't need a pillow. You don't even need a pillow. But if you want to sleep on your side, you can roll over and sleep on your side. It's no big deal. When I do that, I kind of curl my feet up. Kind of like a fetal position type of deal, but I don't do that very often. Once in a great while. Usually if I wake up in the morning and I just don't feel like getting up, I'll do that. But like on a Saturday. Alright, well, I guess the wind is really not gonna do what it was doing when I picked this one up, I swear. As soon as I hit stop, it's gonna do it again. Alright, good night, y'all. Next stop, Dreamyland for me. Alright, catch you laters.